Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a WEX Fleet Card. The WEX Fleet Card is a type of fuel card designed for businesses with fleets of vehicles, providing a convenient and efficient way to manage fuel expenses. To start using a WEX Fleet Card, you first need to apply for the card through the WEX website or by contacting their customer service. Once you have received your card, you can begin using it at participating fuel stations. The WEX Fleet Card can be used at over 160,000 fuel stations across the United States, including major brands such as Exxon, Mobil, and Chevron. When using the WEX Fleet Card, simply swipe the card at the fuel pump or present it to the cashier, and enter your PIN or provide your driver ID. The card will automatically track your fuel purchases, including the date, time, location, and amount of fuel purchased. This information is then available online through the WEX website, allowing you to easily monitor and manage your fuel expenses. One of the key benefits of the WEX Fleet Card is its flexibility. The card can be used for fuel purchases, as well as for maintenance and repair services at participating locations. You can also set up custom controls and restrictions on the card, such as limiting the type of fuel that can be purchased or setting a daily spending limit. In terms of where you can use the WEX Fleet Card, the answer is at most major fuel stations across the United States. However, it is always a good idea to check the WEX website for a list of participating locations before you travel. You can also use the WEX mobile app to find fuel stations near your current location. Best practices for using a WEX Fleet Card include keeping track of your card balance and transaction history, regularly reviewing your fuel expenses to identify areas for cost savings, and taking advantage of the card's custom controls and restrictions to prevent unauthorized purchases. By following these tips and using the WEX Fleet Card responsibly, you can help to streamline your fleet's fuel management and reduce costs. In conclusion, the WEX Fleet Card is a convenient and efficient way to manage fuel expenses for businesses with fleets of vehicles. With its wide acceptance, flexible payment options, and customizable controls, the WEX Fleet Card is a valuable tool for any business looking to simplify its fuel management and reduce costs.